Now obviously here in Portugal I'm riding a state-of-the-art Triumph, but over 100 years ago Triumph were already leading the field in motorcycling development. So to celebrate those heady days, Sam and I thought we might just enter the Pioneer Run. Well, welcome to Epsom and welcome to the Pioneer Run. Now, this is the challenge, right? There are 300 motorcyclists, all on pre-1915 motorcycles, and they've got to get from here in Epsom to Brighton, 47 miles down the track. What could possibly go wrong?
It's the 80th anniversary of this famous event, which has been run every year since 1930, wars, plagues and snowstorms excepting. As organiser Arnold tells me, around here 1915 bikes are considered positively modern.
Class 1 is the very early bikes, up to 1904.
Oh right, blimey, that is early.
Class 2 takes us up to 1910, and thereafter Class 3 are all the others up to 1950.
So that I think means that I'm in Class 2. I hope Sam's getting the bikes ready.
My companion for today is me great mate and biking buddy, Sam Lovegrove.
This is Sam's, okay, and it's called a Bat.
It's 1912, built in Penge, not far from here.
All right, it's coming home.
Yeah, 1000cc Jap V-twin, capable of 80 mile an hour when new apparently, but no real brakes.
So you're telling me that you can't stop on a motorcycle that potentially could do 80 miles an hour?
Yeah, great, isn't it?
Yeah, lovely. Okay, what am I riding? Well, thanks to the National Motorcycle Museum, who've lent me this motorcycle, I am riding, which Sam has been fettling, a 1908 Triumph Roadster. I think it's about 3.5 horsepower, is it?
Yeah, 550cc.
Right.
Single cylinder.
So basically, I just pedal it, right? And then that's got to be the throttle.
It's the sort of...
Okay, look, is that the throttle?
Sort of.
Okay, fine, that's
You
all
can
I need
work
to
it
know.
out.
And then this here is supposedly the clutch, right? Well, it's not really a clutch.
It's on and off,
It's
isn't
on
it?
and off, it
Yeah.
just engages things. Okay, out of 10, right? What is the likelihood of us getting to Brighton?
Both of us, on both of these machines running,
Look.
50 mile away. Out of 10,
Yeah.
2.
Yeah, I think that's egging it, actually.
So if you could lay your bets please, we're under starter's orders. This bike didn't have a kickstart, so I have to pedal on the spot to get going. My 1908 Roadster had a top speed of 50 miles an hour, but cruised most comfortably at between 30 and 40. Whether we'll ever get anywhere near that is anyone's guess. Within 3 miles, my bike keeps stalling and Sam's carb is well flooded.
I have to tell you, this is a proper challenge. 47 miles feels like a world circumnavigation right now, doesn't it?
And we're losing the pack, so we don't know where we're going.
We have no idea where we're going.
all right.
Have you got a sat-nav thing?
Not interested, let's go.
We get back on the road, but a few miles later...
We're about 5 miles in now, and we're beginning to have issues. My problem is finger trouble, or foot trouble. There's nothing wrong with this bike. Sam's, on the other hand, has problems.
Within a few minutes, the engine whisperer has got it going again, and for the next 30 miles it's plain sailing, bar the odd squall. But as the miles clock up, or would do if I had a speedometer, the unscheduled stops become a bit more regular.
What's happened to you?
My magneto timing's slipping.
All right, mate. So basically, we've got a little bit of spannering to do.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not sure exactly. I mean, I oiled her,
Yeah.
right, just as I approached the traffic light.
Yeah.
And then when I revved her up and slipped the clutch as best you can, yeah, when the lights went green, she just wouldn't do nothing, and there was
Okay.
a hell of a lot of smoke.
Yeah, it sounds like you've over-oiled it, so we'll...
You tell me to oil it every few miles, and that's what I've been doing.
That's great. I think it's better than under-oiling it.
Yeah, okay, mate. Well, at least I've done something vaguely right. Now, we were 2 out of 10 a while ago.
Yeah.
What do we reckon on getting to Brighton now?
I'm actually going to... Well, pending yours firing up again, there not being anything hideous wrong with that, I'm going to say a 7.
A 7?
I wish I could say the same about the Pioneer Run. Everyone else seems to be getting on famously, happily pootling on down from London to Brighton. Me and his nibs, though, are, yes, you've guessed it, stuck in a lay-by.
Welcome back to the Pioneer Run. We're still here. We're nowhere near Brighton. In fact, we're 26 miles away. We haven't made very good progress since you were last with us, to the point where we actually haven't moved. But the sun is shining, Sam's spannering. It may be a van job, but we're not going to give up hope.
My bike's smoking like a chimney, and Sam's has got a problem with the ignition. But fear ye not, he's got a plan and a toolbox.
Hold that.
Okay.
Hold it very still. So we've got to retime the ignition so that the spark occurs 7/16 of an inch before top dead centre. So I've marked my bit of welding rod,
Unbelievable.
and that is 7/16 of an inch. There we go. So now I can mark it off in here. Thank you.
Do you know what? Sometimes working with him, which I have done for years, I think, oh, I'm getting there. I understand how to strip a carburettor. And then he suddenly does something like that at the side of the road. And I know I haven't got Scooby-Doo. All I do know is thank God he's me mate.
It turns out that Sam's problem is slightly more complicated, involving intricate adjustments of a 1912 bevel drive.
This is the drive for the Magneto.
Sorry, I was just dreaming of sea and Brighton and the lanes and little
coast.
antique shops that has the odd petrol can in it that I could acquire before they close at 4.
Good luck with dreaming that.
Just explain to me, what is the issue?
Well, so the Magneto's bevel driven on the timing side here.
Yep.
Basically, it's moving on its own, so it's slipping, so we're losing the timing. And I just can't quite work out how it holds onto the sprockets.
So if there's anyone who could work it out, it's you.
While the rest of the world rides on by, Sam carries on fettling until...
I really wanted to see Brighton. Green tea and that. Sounds good.
Oh, no, that was me.
Oh, that was you with the deco. Okay, all right.
Let's try yours.
All right, okay, so look, he's got a smile on his face. I think things might be happening.
Yeah.
Shall I just start mine, because it could have been pilot error?
Give it a go.
Do you think? Now, if mine goes, we might get a couple more miles in towards our cream tea or whatever. Or bronze medal will do, just a little bit of bronze medal. That's all we want, innit?
Get pedaling.
Oh my God!
And we're off! The sun is shining, Brighton's beckoning, and all is officially good. For the moment, at least. And talking of the journey, back on the Pioneer Run, it's all coming to a glorious climax. Bikes are crossing the line down on Marine Drive, trophies are being handed out, and everyone is having a whale of a time. Except for me and Sam. The problem is my bike, which is stalling more than a politician on question time. Brighton beckons, but will my Triumph make it? For a few more miles, maybe, but it's not long before I too am singing the blues. It might look like it's leaking oil, but...
It's not got enough oil.
Neither have I, mate. What's happened? I couldn't
It's not
hear.
oiling. It's not got enough.
Got issues, just want a clutch that
You've
works.
got to push that slowly.
Yeah, I do.
Well, maybe it's not. Maybe it's too slow. Maybe it's the other way.
Well, I've done both.
We roll on for another few miles, but then the inevitable happens.
Bad news. Do you want the bad news or the bad news?
Oh, mate, what?
It's been running so hot that the engine's feeling slightly tight, and particularly with it being borrowed, I think I wouldn't ride that again until I'd had the piston out and a bit of a clean up.
Is this where my Pioneer run ends?
It's looking a bit that way.
Can I just thank you for one, being one of my best mates, two, supporting me the whole way down here, and three, telling me that was about to seize and getting it just in time as ever, because James at the National Motorcycle Museum will probably give you a free mug. Here, mate. Hey, we nearly made it. Next year.
Well, mine isn't broken yet.
Oh no, here we go.
Do you mind if I crack on?
No.
Yeah?
No, you get on.
So my humiliation is complete. My triumph has turned into a tragedy.
Oh, I'm gutted. Really gutted.
And then, out of nowhere, inspiration strikes.
Sammy, I'm having an emotional disturbance. Now listen,
You seem a bit happy.
I'm a little bit happier. Shall I tell you why?
Go on.
I'm not going to make it to Brighton on two wheels, we thought.
Correct.
What about if I used the camera bike?
Yeah, fantastic.
What do you think?
Yeah, great. It's still in it. Not exactly pioneering, but...
It's
I don't
not
know.
pioneering, but I just feel as though I've got to reach Brighton.
Pizza, anyone? It may not be a 1908 Triumph. It may not need oiling every 5 minutes. It may not qualify for a bronze medal or send me kicking and screaming to the Priory. But this bike is going to get me to Brighton. One hour later, we arrive, officially the last entrance to complete the Pioneer Run of 2019.
We've done it!
Yay! What, is this it?
This is it! This is the end! Everyone's gone home!
Really?
Yeah, quick.
Not everyone.
Well, not everyone, we haven't.
I can't believe... Look,
Mate, just put it on the stand.
can I just throw it on the floor? London to Brighton.
Come on, mate, you deserve a mega hug. All right, that's it. That's
Hey,
absolutely
great.
amazing. I've got to tell you, right, going through the last bits, I would never have made it. You are a maestro.
Traffic demon.
I have to tell you, mate, really. So look, you've made it. You will get, when we apply, probably, because they've all gone home, you will get your bronze medal.
Do you think?
Yeah, you will get your bronze medal.
I hope.
Hang on, he's going home as well, look.
It'll be...
And I won't. But at the same time, how do you feel now you've completed it?
Yeah, very pleased. That's
Oh, yeah.
great. Well, I mean, this bike, until a week ago, it hadn't been ridden in 50 years, and I've never ridden it. So what an achievement.
But take a look at the bad, man. If you do have a vintage bike in your garage and you want to have a true adventure, please come on the Pioneer Run.